turn on the screen. And the interface is very simple. This is the handle. It's very light, so we can do the tattoo removal and use this machine at the same time. Okay, look at the screen. This is the wind setting. It means the power of the wind. The maximum is 9, and the temperature setting. This is the maximum is 0 degree, 0 Celsius degree, and this one is the minus 10 degree, and this minus 20 degree. And this is the temperature of the the handle current temperature. So we can use the minus 10 degree, and this is the defrost. Because if the machine work continuously for 2 hours, and it will cause the freeze inside the machine. So we need to use the defrost. Then let the machine temperature increase, then it will have the freeze inside. And now the current temperature is 16 Celsius degree, and the handle still not working. Okay, the temperature decreasing. Then we can feel the wind, the cool wind come out. The temperature decrease very fast. Okay, we can see the temperature. It's still decreasing. And the wind is very cold now. So it is very easy to use the air cooling machine. If you buy the picosecond laser machine, you can buy the air cooling machine at the same time. This is the water outlet. If we hear the strange voice from the machine, it means we need to waste the water. We can remove it, and then the water will come out, and the machine will work